We're going to do a retrofit of ASTRO to demonstrate how to install the PowerBx ADA bracket. The ASTRO is amazing, super simple, hooks on and off, so that's what you should be going with. So we've already got cable run, ASTRO's Power Plus data, which is a bonus. This is just going straight into the drywall, but because this is kind of a demo outlet for us, we basically have a section already cut for a gang box, but ASTRO can just mount straight into drywall. All right, cool. So you can see that we have this just mounted into drywall. Again, already have it cut, so we'll use a gang box in this case. Got this punched through already, so we'll run our Cat 6. If you use one of our cable lay, we use these super thin cables, which are way easy to run. Gang box is now set. Screws are included. I'll put the size screw in the description. They're on the instruction sheets that come with it. And it'll just center up. This is a single gang box, so it's just gonna center up right with the gang box. And actually, I need to get my Cat 6 through. So it's installed. Got our PoE unit ready to go. We're just using a 6-inch lightning cable or an iPad mini. So we can go ahead and connect our power. And so we're live. This is a hot line. We can tuck all that back up in there, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead here and grab our iPad mini mount. And I guess I gotta get my other screws ready. Okay. There's the first one. There's the second one. Faceplate lifts off like that. I don't have a tablet with me right now, but basically next step, we connect the tablet, set the tablet in there. The faceplate has two little hooks that go into those flanges, and then the hardware packet comes with two set screws that go into each of these screw holes, and that's the ADA installation.